The final progression event for the year on Rollercoin is now live. Let's discuss it on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so Rollercoin are back with the final progression event of 2023. So this is going to be called New Year's Eve Story. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin, and this is New Year's Eve Story. You can see that right here at the top. So I'm going to do like what I love to do usually with progression events and run you through the number of points and the minors and rewards that you can receive in the progression event. More details, we can see that to get to a higher difficulty level in a game, 600 points. Spend 1 RLT anywhere except the marketplace, it's 1000 points, and spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, it's 350 points. You'll also get 1200 points if you buy the event pass for the current season as well. So that's not currently listed here, but it is in the sheet that I'll be showing you very shortly as well. But what can we see here at the very top? The most powerful miner in the event, New Year's node, 2 petahash, a whopping 2 petahash. Look at that. If you get to the very end of the event and get that miner, you're going to instantly increase your power by 2 petahash. That's quite a significant amount of power. You've got pretty much, this started yesterday, so it was around a week. So now you've got pretty much 6 days, 7 hours remaining at the time of recording this video to get all of the miners and all of the rewards in the event. But what are all of the miners and all of the rewards? So let's check those out now as well. So here you can see, thanks to Piero, again, like always, the event pass is listed here. So if you buy the event pass, it's 1200 points. So New Year's Eve Story, you can start off with level 1 at 50 RST. So you get the 50 RST when starting off. You need 1000 EXP, not 500 like it was sometimes with previous progression events, so you need a bit more, but you can easily get that as well by playing like a few games, and you'll just level up and get those as well. I'm currently on, I believe, yes, the event pass 20 XP, so I've just started this myself as well. So I'm right here at the moment, okay? So temporary bonus, 80 terahash for 7 days. If we go down the list, let's see what goodies we have. So here at level 11, Dash's Sled, you get 75 terahash, but a 1.5% bonus, okay? The bonus power is very important because that is a percentage which will be on your entire power, okay? So White Christmas, 22 terahash, 0%. But we can see there are quite a couple of miners here that do have that bonus, okay? 3% at level 15 for the Yellow Emperor. And you also get 200 terahash for that, okay? 3%. Rack bonus of 11%. Each and every miner that goes on this Silver Rack 6 will have an 11% bonus applied to it. So that is very, very good as well. You've also got the Swedish Miracle Rack here at 6%, level 21. So let's get down to the end of the list here. And I'm just going to put this up a bit higher. So here we can see that at level 36, Santa's Flyer will give you 250 terahash, but a 4% bonus. That's massive. Even further up the list, so at level 33, there's the Christmas Eve with 400 terahash and a 5% bonus, okay? So 5%, that's really good. That's a lot, okay? And if we get to the very, very end of the list, there is the New Year's node at level 40, so there are 40 levels in total in this progression event this time. To end the year with a bang, you get 2 petahash and 2.4% attached with that 2 petahash, okay? 2.4% bonus as well. This sums up to a total of 6.7 petahash and 25.4% bonus. That's insane, 25.4% if you get all of them, and obviously if you don't already own certain miners, but again, you can always merge the miners, okay? If you merge those miners, then you'll be getting even more power and an even higher bonus, okay? So if you've got like a Masquerado, like I have, and I get another one and I potentially merge them together, then I'll get even more power and an even higher bonus. So I don't think just because you already have it that it's a waste or anything, because you're still going to get the bonus if you actually merge it with the one you currently have. Obviously, if you don't merge it, you're not going to get the bonus, but you're still going to get the power. So you're still going to get something anyway. So look at all that power and all those bonuses. Incredible. Very, very good. Nice progression event Rollercoin to end the year with a bang. Okay, so do your best. 1 week remaining. This is going to go on into the new year. It's going to go on to the 2nd of January. So be sure to try and crack them all. Okay, try and get all those rewards. Quite a significant amount of power there. Okay, also, if you haven't yet registered to the game, you can do so down in the description below this video when clicking my link and using my referral link in the description below this video. You'll be getting 1000 Satoshi instantly as soon as you register using my link. So that will help you to purchase a rack and some other things maybe as well, so you can get started in the Rollercoin game. And I hope that you found this video useful. I wish you all a healthy, prosperous and happy new year 2024, and I'll be back with you all. And thank you for leaving those suggestions on the previous video that I have. I'll be leaving that in the end, at the end trailer after this video as well, so you can find that. Be sure to leave your comments and suggestions in that video so that I will then be drawing someone's name out of the lucky comments there. Leave me the suggestions of what you want to see on YouTube, on my channel here, because this channel after all is for you guys and girls out there. So leave those comments and I will put you in that draw to win some crypto that I will announce next year when I will be doing that draw. Okay, so be sure to get those comments cracking. In the other video, not in this video. In this video, you can leave comments obviously about this video and this progression event. Okay, so just remember the comments need to be in that other video. The other video is going to be in the end trailer, and I'll even pop the link in the description below this video just so you can find it easier as well. So happy new year, have a healthy one, stay safe out there. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash that like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.